Hi guys, welcome to this tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about the CorelDraw environment. Okay, how you can easily explore the CorelDraw environment and do whatsoever you want to do on CorelDraw. Okay, yes, you need to understand this environment before you be able to work on this environment. Okay, so the first bar here is called the title bar here. This bar you see on top here is called the title bar. Can you see this bar where my arrow is pointing? It's called the title bar. It holds the name of the document. It holds the name of your design. Okay, if you save this design, you are going to see this untitled will change to the name of your design. Then we have the next bar here, which is called the menu bar. Here is the menu bar, and all those items you see on it are called the menus. Okay, here the file menu, the edit menu, the view menu, the layout menu, the object menu, and so on and so forth. And here we call this place here the property or the formatting bar. The property or the formatting bar. From the whole of this place here down to this place here is called the formatting or the property bar. Okay, the formatting or the property bar. Here is it. Okay, then we have here where we call the document tab, or we call it a tab. Okay, here we have the profile. We have another tab here, just like your web browser, where you can have multiple tabs. Also here we can also have multiple tabs in CorelDraw. Okay, so this place here is called the what? It's called the tab. Look, we have added one tab now on title 2, right? And the next bar here, this vertical bar here that run from up down here, is called what? It's called our toolbar. This place I'm clicking on here is called our toolbar. We have the toolbar, just like the farmer need tools to farm. Also, a graphic designer need tools to do any kind of design you need. Okay, the farmer, in the case of the farmer, we have the hoe, we have the cutlass, we have the knife, we have the rake, and we have so many of them, right? In the case of graphic designer, we have the pick tool. This one here is called the pick tool. And a very easy way to know all those tools and what they are used for is take your mouse pointer and go over them. Don't click on them, just take your mouse pointer on top of them and you'll see it will show you what they are used for. The pick tool is used to select, it's used to position, or it's used to transform object. And the next tool here is called the shape tool. And you see the use of the shape tool there, edit a curve, object, or text character. Then we have the next tool there, which is called the crop tool. We have the next tool there, which is called the zoom tool. We have the next tool there, which is called the pen tool. We have the next tool there, which is called the painterly brush tool. And we have the next tool there, which is called the rectangle tool. The next tool there, which is called the ellipse tool. The next tool there, which is called the polygon tool. The next tool there, which is called the text tool. And the text tool is used to add text to your CorelDraw environment. And we have the next tool there, which is called the parallel dimension tool. And we have so many of them. We have the transparency tool, we have the shadow tool, we have the eyedropper tool, and we have the interactive fill tool. Okay, so the whole of this block here is called a toolbar because it's like a bar. It's something long, right? So it's like a bar. It's called the toolbar. Okay, then we have the whole of this environment. This environment here, this white space here, is called your design canvas. Yes, this environment here is called your design canvas, and this segment here is called your printable area. Okay, this area that is mapped out here is called your printable area, and you can customize this printable area from your status or your formatting bar. Okay, yes, you can customize it from this place by saying, okay, I want 5 by 10. I want 5 by 10, and when I hit enter, you see it has changed shape, right? Yes, initially it was square, but now it's kind of like inverted rectangle. Okay, so you can always change your printable area to what you want. If it's A4 you want, you can click here and select A4. Okay, and this is the size for A4. So anything you are doing you should have a good measurement for what you're doing. And we have this thing here also that looks like a ruler, like a scale. Can you see this scale? Yes, that runs from 350 down like that. It's called a ruler guard. Most time you use it to align things. Okay, you use it to align things. You just click on it. How do you align things? Take for example, you want these two objects to be aligned together, to be aligned up together. You can use this. You can bring, you see, you can bring down the ruler guard or the scale guard to position it there, then position your alignment. Can you see? You can even use it for other things. You can use it to take measurement of objects without going to the property bar. Okay, same thing with this other one here. You can use this other one here also to position objects neatly and nicely. That is served. Let me change this place to this color. Okay, let me change it to this. All right, so we have this now. Position what neatly. Okay, the next thing we are going to discuss is this bar here, this 3 bar here. These 3 bar are called the color palette. Okay, these 3 bar here are called the color palette, that has different colors that you can use. We have the RGB color, we have the CMYK color, and we have the default color. I'm going to do a video on the different types of color we have and what they are supposed to be used for and what they are used for. Okay, the ones that are good for print and the ones that are good for digital designs. Okay, then we have also the scroll bar. Also, you use the scroll bar to go up and down your page, and we have the vertical one that you can use to go right and left of your page. Okay, then we have the page bar where you can see the number of page you are working on. You can increase the number of page. Take for example, you are working on a brochure, you can add pages and you can subtract pages, you can delete pages. And down here we have what we call the document color palette. Yes, all the documents you use in your design, this is where you find them. Take for example, change this to yellow now. You see that, okay, we use this color initially, we use these colors initially, that is why they are here, the first and the second one. Okay, so when we added this other color to it was added here. So you can also keep track of the colors you are making use of without changing colors, changing colors anyhow. Okay, so you can always see the color you are making use of here and just duplicate it. Take for example, I want to create another rectangle and I want to maintain these 3 colors. I can just come here and click without going to my color palette to look for the color. Okay, because there are so many colors here, you find it easy to just pick from here than to pick from here, because these are the colors you are working. You find it easy to pick from here than to pick from here, because here is like limited colors, while here is numerous numbers of colors where you hardly find the one you are making use of. Okay, so that is to help you. Okay, so that is that for this